Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to join Grow a Garden Discord server, both on PC and mobile. What you can do is just go ahead and scroll down, okay? On the left-hand panel, click on Discover, and here you can click on this magnifying glass to search. Just search for Grow a Garden right here, and you'll see the server. As you can see, just go ahead and click on it. It has over 4.5 million members, and we are basically in. All you need to do is click join Grow a Garden, and you would be in the Discord server. As you can see, I have joined. Now if you're on mobile, you will not get the discover feature, so you just go to your browser and type in Grow a Garden Discord server. That's all you have to do on your mobile phone browser. And then just go ahead and click on the first link. As you can see, this is the invite. And if you're wondering, this is the exact code. You can go ahead and paste this in yourself if for some reason you don't find the link. And there you go. It will launch me into Discord, and this is the exact server. So it's really that easy. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.